I check out to see what they need. They use both Angus for some cows, and then they use sex semen, and then they use regular semen, of course. Well, today we're leaving sex semen here. A little low on sex semen. We usually go through 50 or 60 units a week here, so happen to be using a lantern today.
So, quick question for you, Kevin. Tell us, how long have you been doing this?
36 years. 36 years in May it will be 36 years. The first 10 years I was a technician, and the last 26 I've been area sales manager, delivering semen and working with technicians.
And what do you like most about your career?
The people, both both employees I have that I work with and the customers. I've had a good fortune of working with a lot of great employees, great people to work with, and that's made it fun.